another, if one person is on Lahore and we were in Karachi, so we call and communicate.
Okay. Anyone else? What is communication?
Miss,
Yes, Beta.
Miss, we can share ideas from one country to another and information and all the messages.
Ideas, information, messages. Okay. Anyone else?
Yes, it is a system which we can conversate with our friends, with our families who live
Okay.
in other countries.
Good. Now, this is communication. Okay. What is one-way communication?
When only one person is giving the information or idea.
For example?
For example, when we are teaching, you give us information.
Okay. Teaching
We
is
not communicate.
okay. Anyone else? What is one-way communication?
In which there are like less people,
Miss, it
less
is when we get
like a short conversation between. Not
Miss,
a big
when we
conversation
get
like.
information and we communicate from one person only.
Okay. Anyone else?
This is one way conversation we're doing right now.
Okay. Now, all of you mute yourself and only Atik Imran will share the part. What is one-way communication? Yes, Atik? Can you hear us, Atik Imran? Are you with us? Can you share your view with us? What is one-way communication, Atik Imran? Okay. Anyone else? Now I need you to raise your hand if you can participate. Yes, Abiha. That's very good. Abiha.
Miss, like in speeches and TVs,
Like?
speeches, there's one-way
Speeches.
communication.
Okay. Okay. Anyone else? Right. So, what about Yusra? What is one-way communication, Yusra?
Miss, when we are getting information or ideas from one person, uh, like uh, like teachers or the videos on internet.
Good.
Debaters.
Yes, Atik, we can hear you. Okay. Atik Imran, what's the one-way communication? What do you understand by one-way communication?
Misinformation which cannot be changed, and we get it and it cannot be changed. It cannot be discussed. It is just given to us.
Yes, Fariha Azhar, one-way communication.
Miss, debaters.
Debaters. Okay. The thing is that, beta, one-way communication is the communication or information or ideas which are only taken from one side. Okay. In this way of communication, we cannot express ourselves. Like, we will only get the information. Okay. For example, radio. Okay. If we listen to radio, we are just getting the information. We cannot participate in the radio. We cannot give the feedback, or we cannot answer back in the radio, listening to a radio. If we are watching a television or any movie or any documentary, we cannot reply back. Okay, so that is one-way communication, just getting the information, not replying back. You guys are talking about teaching. So in teaching, we can communicate with each other. If a teacher is giving a lecture or telling something in the class, the students can participate, or they can ask then and there in the class that, miss, we cannot understand this. Okay. While if we talk about uh, recorded sessions of the teaching, okay, in which only the teacher is giving the information, then that is one-way communication. So I hope that everyone gets clear what is one-way communication. Okay. Now the other mode of communication is two-way communication. What is two-way communication now?
Miss, the one The one we are doing right now is two-way communication. We can express ourselves with the teachers.
We can express ourselves, we can share the ideas. So this is two-way communication. Now, any other forms of two-way communication, the example of other, two-way communication?
Miss,
Yes, Fatma Habib.
Miss, it is interactive communication that when we go towards someone, so there are many public, we all communicate with each other and tell that who should we give the word to.
Okay, okay. Any other example of two-way communication?
Just like the business meetings, people
Yes.
will have business meetings. They can tell their ideas about how can we do this.
Okay. And okay. Yes, Yusra. Any example of two-way communication?
Miss, like when we are talking in phone, when we are calling someone outside or anywhere, and also like miss, this online sessions is also two-way communication.
Hmm. Okay.
And
And what about WhatsApp?
yes, miss, WhatsApp calls, all these
So these
are also
all social networking sites or the emails. Can emails be a two-way communication?
yes,
No,
Yes.
yes.
Someone is saying yes
Text
and someone is saying
messages.
no. Okay, yes.
Yes.
Let's first go towards the no. Arisha Tahreem, you have told us that emails are not two-way communication.
No,
How?
Miss, I said yes.
Okay, who said no then? Okay, so everyone is agreed that emails are two-way communication?
Yes.
It is, okay, but it's delayed क्योंकि email जब तक जाएगा उसका जवाब आएगा थोड़ा delayed है, but it's two-way communication, right? And what about WhatsApp? Is it a two-way communication?
Yes.
Okay,
Miss,
can
and
we,
Facebook.
okay, can we say that the WhatsApp is one-way communication? Is there any possibility that WhatsApp can become one-way communication?
No.
Yes, social media sites are two-way communication.
Excellent, Atik Imran. Yes, my question is that, is there any way that we can say that WhatsApp is one-way communication?
No.
No?
No, miss.
Okay, what happens if the network is not working and only the sender is giving you the messages and you can't read the messages? Then is it a one-way communication or not?
अगर नेटवर्क नहीं चलता तो मैसेज भी नहीं आएगा.
हमारे पास नहीं आएगा, but sender ने तो send कर दिया ना?
तो हमारे पास नहीं आएगा तो हमें पता
नहीं आया. So it is okay. If we are just giving the information, we are just sending. So it will be one way communication. अगर हम सिर्फ send कर रहे हैं, हमारे पास से messages चले गए हैं, so it will be one way communication unless until कि next person का जो है वो net working हो और वो video messages and videos वो देख ले. ठीक है? So that will be a two way communication. Okay. So this is all about communication. What is containerization? Come on. What is containerization? Hamza Munaf. Are you with us, Hamza Munaf? Can you hear us, Hamza Munaf? Okay. Okay. Anyone else? What is containerization? Come on, students. Ashal.
Miss.
Containerization.
Yes, miss.
Okay, wait, Ali. Okay, Ali, you go ahead. What is containerization?
Yes, I think if the things are import or export with the containers, the help of containers.
Okay, if import and export is not done with the help of container, then?
Yes, I think the things which are sent by the containers.
What is intermodal?
Miss, advanced.
Yes, Fatima, continue.
Miss, it means that it is advanced way in today. Miss, today it is an advanced way, like in the past it was not really advanced like this.
Okay, Atik Imran, continue. What is
It's
intermodal of
including two or
containerization?
more different ways.
Repeat your point, beta. Are you having
Intermodal
difficulty?
का containerization.
Can you repeat your point, Atik?
Miss intermodal का containerization.
इंटरमोडाल का कंटेनराइजेशन आगे.
Intermodal का involving two or more different modes of transport.
Yes, yes. Intermodal means involvement of different mode of transport. Like for example, in containerization, containers are moving from one country to another country by the help of ships. Okay, huge
Miss,
containers.
in which heavy material are packed in containers and shipped to other countries.
आपने इंटरनेट पे सर्च किया है ना फौरन?
मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करूं? मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करूं, देखिए.
No. It's okay. I believe you. Okay. Now, intermodal is that if we change the if we change the mode of transport, right? For example, through sea, and by the help of ships, the containers are moved from one country to another country, and those containers are on the ship yards, and they are transferred either directly into the double stack train or to the truck on which the containers are stacked. Okay, so this is the transfer of transportation, right? So this is intermodal containerization or intermodal transfer. Okay, now next is GPS system. What is GPS system? What does GPS means?
Miss, GPS means molecule is needed to operate a lab.
Positioning systems. Full form.
Okay, good. Global positioning system by Aliza.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
Positioning.
Fatima Mustafa, you want to add something?
Miss, I was also saying the same.
Okay, yes. Where is Atik? Atik, you want to add something?
An accurate worldwide navigation system.
Worldwide navigation system. Hamza Faisal, can you tell us what is GPS? Hamza Faisal, are you with us? Can you tell us what is GPS?
GPS is missed at the marking of location.
Repeat your point. GPS is the
Marking location.
marking locations. Okay, Samir Munaf, can you add any point in that? What is GPS?
Miss, we can find locations easily from GPS. It guides us.
Okay, good, very good. What is the full form of GPS? GPS is the abbreviation. What is the full form? Yes, Abiha.
Global Positioning Systems.
Excellent. It's global positioning system.
Global
Good.
positioning systems.
Thank you, beta. Okay. Now, next question is this: what is accessibility? I want you to raise your hand if you can answer what is accessibility. Now, don't unmute yourself right now. Just raise your hand so that we can have one by one answers. Okay? Accessibility. What is accessibility? Okay, Aliza and Abiha and Fatima. Okay, Aliza, first your turn, then Abiha, then Fatima. What is accessibility?
Miss, accessibility refers how easy it is to get to a place. Like if you want to go to a place, we want to visit that place. So accessibility shows that how easy it is to reach that place.
Okay. Yes, Abiha, you want to add something?
No, Miss, I was saying the same thing.
Fatima Mujtaba, can you add something? Fatima Mujtaba, unmute yourself, beta, and let us know what can you add in the accessibility. Okay. Atik Imran. Yes, Atik Imran.
Miss, a place that
Quality
is
of being
easy
able to reach or enter.
Repeat, Atik.
The quality of being able to be reached or entered.
Okay. Yes, Fatima Mujtaba, you were saying something.
is a place that is easy to reach is said to be accessible.
A place which is easy to reach is said to be accessible. Hamza Munaf, can you add something? Are you with us, Hamza Munaf? Yes, Hamza. Hamza Munaf. Okay,
अब्दुल्ला
Fatima
रोक पे रहा है, आप उसकी अटेंडेंस मार्क कर दें, उसकी लाइट चली गई है.
But kindly don't give me these. Javeria Kamran.
Miss,
Accessibility.
can I
Beta.
give an example?
What is
Can I give
accessibility?
Miss, can I give an example?
Yes, of course.
Miss, like motorways are made in Pakistan to travel from one place to another very quickly in an easy way.
Hmm.
So, Miss, this is a type of accessibility.
This is a type of accessibility. Okay. Yes, Fatima Mujtaba. Okay, beta. So accessibility